Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Shib update. Now, yesterday we did talk about Shib potentially coming nearly this 0.236, which it didn't hold. Look, it did hold. The next candle opened a little bit beneath. Guys, could you do me a favor? I always tell you, when you lose support, you're gonna go more down. So at least sometimes the prices can tend to go a little bit lower. So could you use as far as you're learning along the way, I mean, you could have spotted that you're losing support. Okay, if you go to tradingview.com, this channel is not a signal channel. This channel is not for signals. This is educational channel, and this is for technical analysis. So here we are teaching you how to read charts and how to spot level of supports and resistances. So it was a pretty simple game. If you just go to the 1 hour time frame, at least learn some, get some clues from the videos when I tell you that. Okay, so you can already see that this is potentially when you actually broke down and you lost the support and then you went more down. And I always say this in the channel, when you lose support, you're gonna go even more down. This was your level of support. We did respect it. Look, we came down, bounced off it. Look, bounced off it, then went down and then lost it, went for the retest, then got rejected, and now again we're looking to go back and maybe continue towards the upside. All right, and I do believe there's a bullish structure forming up for Shib here, which is a falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to show you very quickly right there, and this one right here. If you draw this line just like that, that's a falling wedge, and these are bullish. Okay, the prices are gonna get up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, just like that, just like here, and then come here and then go back to where you formed that falling wedge, which is going to be nearly the 5443. Now there's one more thing, of course. If you go to the daily, right there, I'm going to show you this. Let me just remove that line right there. Now on the daily, guys, you can see this is a falling wedge, of course, and it seems like it just went to retest it. Look, listen, it's bullish. Why? You see this resistance line right there, that resistance. Shib just broke out of it, came down to back test the resistance, in my opinion, and that's bullish. And it seems like it's back testing it successfully, making a falling wedge on the 1 hour as well, which is a bullish pattern, and now it's looking to continue towards the upside. As a matter of fact, if I show you one more thing here, I'm just going to remove that line right there. It is finding support at these levels. Look at this. Yeah, it did break a little bit down from 4430, but it's still in a buying zone. And this is your level of support. Let me show you that. It just broke out of this place, and look, it's supported pretty beautifully right there. Just look at that. Amazing, right? It was rejected right here back in the days. You can see that there's one rejection right there, second rejection here, third rejection here, nearly another rejection here, finally broke out, went up, find a good volume, came down for the retest, nothing else than the retest, and now it's looking to continue towards the upside. So if you're looking Shib at this price level, I do think you're still buying cheap right there. Okay, it's the cheapest you can get, in my opinion, based that on a monthly price estimations, or a 2 months price, a couple of months price estimation. You're gonna be reaching that 13,000 target, not in one day. Remember, not in one day, but it will be a slow, choppy journey by the weekly until you don't really reach that price target and price prediction that I'm giving you. And that's it for Shib, guys. That's it for Shib. As a matter of fact, before I end the video, do you see this candlestick right here? That's a hammer, right? It's a hammer, and that means that the next coming days it's gonna be green from here. So it's printing bullish patterns and bullish. You have a falling wedge, and then you have a hammer right there, and you're having support right here, and you also broke out of the downtrend. So for me, it's coiling up beautifully to continue towards the upside. And until then, I'm gonna see you with the next one. Watch out for this level, 5,000 and then 6,200. Allah Hafiz.